Well, NETGEAR Business has led the way for almost 30 years by successfully enabling more than 50 million businesses worldwide. The quality, reach, and value of our products and services is unmatched, and so is our channel focus. Well, when someone approaches you saying, "I need help with my system," or "my Wi-Fi doesn't work," what they really need is a complete IT solution. Some customers may be afraid of the costs and complexities involved in such service, but little they know that you now have the perfect line of products and solutions tailored with business owners in mind. As a value-added reseller, you will endorse the reputation of a solid company and take the customer on their IT journey with total confidence. By partnering with us, you can dedicate your time taking care of the personal relationship with the customer and let NETGEAR do the legwork for you. Our global team of experts are ready to help you with pre-sales support, understanding your customer's project still on the planning phase, and specifying the right gear for your budget and needs. We are there to help you every step of the way so you can expand your business and close more deals. As a partner reseller, you can request a remote site survey on your customer's network to help you win the deal. NETGEAR will provide a detailed report of the project made with the best industry-recognized tool, helping you specify the right amount of access points to offer full wireless coverage in that building, taking into consideration the neighboring interferences, the wall densities, and the signal strength with a heat map. That report alone would cost money for your customers and time for you. However, with Total Network Solution that is included in the price tag. With regional account managers ready to provide you with a quick quotation and fast-to-market delivery times, your infrastructure is covered and your customer satisfaction is guaranteed. By registering your deals with us through our partner portal or directly with your account manager, NETGEAR can protect your quotation and accommodate potential changes against the competition along the way. At NETGEAR, we want to make sure your margins are competitive, and we will go all the way to help our VARs close the deal, offering stackable discounts and marketing rebates. Your technical team will have access to our NETGEAR Academy, improving their skill sets to better serve your end customers. We offer on-demand technical training in IT topics such as Pro Wi-Fi, managed switches, and AV over IP, and our certification is recognized worldwide by accredited industry and trade associations. Once your team is certified, you can apply for a NETGEAR Certified VAR badge to prove your customers that you're not only a dedicated reseller, but you're also able to serve them with all the IT knowledge and NETGEAR expertise to make the most out of our devices and software. When it comes to install projects, a year goes by too fast. Under our extended warranty programs, your customers' devices are safe and sound. For North America, Europe, and Australia, we offer next business day replacement, and for the other territories, our local distributors are fast to respond to emergency calls. However, in the unlikely case something won't work as expected, our partner portal has an easy RMA process for returning goods. You self-register your RMAs online, no hassle, no questions. As you can see, the TNS is a complete ecosystem of services and products to help your customers on their IT journey. From pre-sales consultancy, remote site surveys, generous margins for you to beat the competition, free training for your tech staff, and extended warranty terms for your system's health and resilience. We've done it all. Now it's your turn. Register right now at our partner portal powershift.netgear.com and start selling TNS right now.